guys, it is Ninja KNZ, and today I am giving you guys an update of my free budgies. These are my budgies. The yellow and green one is a girl and her name is Star. The blue and white one is a boy and his name is Laza. The white one is a boy and his name is Coconut. By the way, here is my pet cat. She is a tabby cat. If you don't know what that is, it's just the type of cat with different colours on her. So, yep, she's a tabby cat. She's a really cute. Here are the budgies. So, hey Laza, hey Star, hey Coconut. They're very cute. They're outside right now. They're usually right there on that desk over there. But right now they're outside. They like the sun. They like getting sprayed at. Okay, I got the spray bottle. Ready? You don't want to spray them too much though. My budgies don't like getting sprayed soaking wet. Are you, Laza? Oh, there you are. You guys like it? I know you do. So that's them with the spray bottle. This cat right here sometimes tries to get the budgies, but now she's really calm with them and barely tries to get them, which is good. Hey! I took them off the hook so they can get dry by the sun. They have to be 6 months and older to have babies and stuff, but it's better if you make them have babies and stuff at 1 year old. The reason why we know she is so calm of the budgies is because one time we were looking after this cat and the cat would always go next to the budgies and try to get to them and stuff, and she's much more calmer. By the way guys, thank you guys for 49 subscribers right now, because that's how much subscribers I have right now, and I can't wait till I get higher and higher and stuff. So thank you guys for 49 that I have right now.
Ninja Cat does whatever a Ninja Cat can.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please put a big fat thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Ninja Cat NZ over and out.